Hello, how are you? Welcome to our Math Online classes. Today's lesson is about finances, about writing a check. Yeah? Okay, guys, writing a check. Well, what's a check? A check is an order to the bank to pay my money to somebody. That means that there's a person that has an account name. In this case, we're talking about Mr. James Smith, who has a money account in the bank, in this credit bank, okay? So he needs to write a check. A check is a document like this that's been already filled out, but now we're gonna learn how to do it, how to write a check. We need to follow these steps. First step is to write the date. The date, it's very important. It's very important to write it properly. Here, we have a different way of writing checks, but in the United States, you write the month first, the day, comma, and the year. So I will have to write the date here in the place where the check says date. So in this case, this will be July 10, tomorrow's date, 20 and 20, the year. I have to be very careful to write properly the date. Next step, payee. To whom I am paying. To whom is the money going to be paid by the bank? The bank is going to pay through a check. He's going to pay, the bank is going to pay to Mr. James Lee. So it says, pay to the order of Mr. James Lee. James Lee is a person that needs to pay this, to get this money. How much should I pay? The amount. I have to pay him through this check $350 with 15 cents. Okay, I have to be very sure to write properly the number because they could falsify, they can change the amount of money, and then we need to put it into words. Into words, this will be written like 350 dollars with 15 cents. 15 cents is written as a fraction. 15 part of 100 cents, though. That's gonna be dollars, okay? So I have to use the whole space so that nobody can write anything. Okay, I have to pay for what reason? In this case, it's house rent. I am paying my house rent. That means that I have to pay for it. But I have to sign. And the signature should be the same as Mr. James Smith, the same way. So I will write my signature like this. James Smith. Okay, this is very important because these signatures should be the same as the bank has, okay? The bank has this signature and they need to compare it so that they can pay to the right person. So these are the steps in which you need to write a check. Then the last step is that you need to have stuff from your checkbook. That means a little piece of paper where you attach to the check, where you put the check number. In this case, the check number is 301. The date is July 10, 2020, and the amount 350 and 15 cents. Once you have finished, then you would say that you have written a check for Mr. James Lee, who is the payee. Payee means el que recibe el cheque. Payee es el el receptor del dinero, ¿ok? And the payer is James Smith. El que paga el señor Smith y el que recibe es el señor James Lee. Okay? Well, I hope you understood that and wish you the best and have a good day. Bye.